Okay, this is my bike check. This is going to be in a series of 3 videos for 3 different bikes. Okay, and starting off, this is a redline Proline cruiser frame, 24-inch. And then I have stock forks on it, stock bars. And then I have redline 24 by 1 3/8 rims, spokes and everything, hub, all redline. Then I have a Primo V-Track front tire, easy tire to find. You can find them, they're cheap. And then I don't even know what kind of stem I have. It's kind of heavy though, it's 16 ounces. Then I have a Cane Creek headset. And then I have a Tetraco Mini V brake set. And then next I have my pedals, they're animal plastic pedals. And then my cranks are AC race cranks. You can see the cranks are bolted to a 30-tooth sprocket. And then I have a KMC light chain. And then I have a 16-tooth driver in the back, next to a redline cassette hub, 24 by 1 3/8, spokes, hub, everything stock again. I have just basic chain tensioners. Then I have an Eastern Reaper seat and post combo. Then I have a Kenda, just some Kenda tire on the back. I have an odd rim size, so it's kind of hard to find rims for it. Tires. And so basically that's my first bike.